Whatever number of people that you currently have on your personal Facebook page is not indicative of your ability to be successful, right? You have to invest time and money into creating exposure to the people that you want. Alone on Facebook alone, I think it's now up to 2.5 billion people are on Facebook platform alone per month. I want you to just take a step and listen to that. If you got 5,000 people on your personal Facebook page, right? You've maxed it out and you've got the most number of people that you can have on your personal business page. That is a drip of the number of people that you can get exposed to, right? So don't be disheartened by people's interaction with you on one platform. That is not representative of your ability or your propensity to be successful. There are so many other platforms. There are so many ways to get your name out there. And I guarantee you, if you aren't actively doing it, you're not leveraging all the ways that you can get your business out there. Okay. So just don't let that be the reason why you're like, oh, I'm not, my business is not doing well or whatever. It's probably because you've not invested any time in the right things that will actually get you seen.